Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Itonga spoiler alert. Sanele's sacrifice comes with dire consequences when it begins to affect his relationship with Mbali. Zama's feelings for Sanele are reunited, unaware of the deep connection between Sanele and Banele. Pinda does the unthinkable, causing chaos and division within the Ndanzi family. Pinda and Mom Faith's lives are at risk as Pablo plans something evil for them. Mbali and Sanele's Umembeso has finally arrived, but will everything go as planned? Makumalo discovers the truth about his son's murderer, but will she avenge his death? Thank you guys for watching.